Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Tekken 7 not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just go to settings and then go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps and then just turn it off. And now right click on Tekken, go to properties and then click compatibility, and here enable those options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator. You will find it like that. Turn on disable full screen and then turn on run this program as an administrator, then click OK. After that, right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel and here you will find NVIDIA control panel settings. Click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.